Good morning. Have you ever had a duck egg? I had a friend bring some duck eggs a few days ago. And folks, I'm going to show you the difference in them. Okay. This is one of the duck eggs. Okay. The shell is a lot thicker than a chicken egg. I mean, literally. And look at how big that egg yolk is. I personally like my eggs fried. I prefer them over medium. So that's what I'm going to do whenever I show you the difference in a duck egg and a chicken egg. So we're just going to sit here and I'm going to flip this over. When it gets a little bit further along, I prefer, honestly, to only flip one time. That way we don't risk sticking or the yolk breaking prematurely. And I'll show you the difference in the color, if there is any. And I'm also going to taste test to see if I can tell any difference in a duck egg or a chicken egg. Okay, this one is done. Let's put it over here. Oh, where's my spray? Another little quick spray of my cooking spray. Some more real butter in my pan. Okay, and of course, folks, that was a fresh duck egg. Okay, I have one of my fresh chicken eggs. The shell is a lot softer. And that yolk is a whole lot smaller than my duck egg. And notice how a fresh egg kind of humps up right there. I'm going to break that. That way we don't have, as my husband likes to call it, popping butter. That way we don't have glibbery stuff in there. That's what he calls the runny white of an egg is glibbery. So I've never heard that word before. Is that a word? Is that something you folks use? Let's just flip this over. Turn the heat off. Okay. That has another couple of seconds on it. Okay, let's cut this. Okay, that's nice and gold, nice and dark. And let's see if there's any difference in the color of the yolks. Okay. What do you think? Now for the ultimate test, which is also my favorite, a taste test. I didn't put any seasoning on here, so all I can taste is pure egg. This is a very, very rich flavor. So good. Of course, my chicken egg is fantastic too, but it's not quite as rich as a duck egg. Folks, duck egg for me is a winner. I had never had duck eggs, so I am very thankful to have the opportunity to try them. And they have a wonderful flavor. So don't be afraid to taste of a duck egg. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.